Hello everyone. In this session we're talking about REPL. So here we discuss what is mean by REPL, we'll see in detail, and finally we will see the practically how to work on REPL. So the REPL in a term stands for read, eval, print and loop. Now the next point, it specifies a computer environment like a window console or a Unix Linux shell where you can enter the command and the system respond with the output in an interactive mode. So REPL एक सिंपली कंप्यूटर एनवायरनमेंट है लाइक अ विंडो कंसोल जिसको हम कहते हैं कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट एंड इन दैट कमांड कौन वी एंटर सम कमांड जिसमें हम कुछ कमांड पास करके जो सिस्टम हमें रिस्पांस प्रोवाइड करता है विद आउटपुट. सो इस तरह से हम एक सिस्टम की तरह एक इंटरेक्टिव मोड के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. Now here we talking about REPL environment. So here the first term we use read. So read means user read the input, parse the input into JavaScript data structure and store in a memory. So simply कहा जाए it's said to be using a window console means a command prompt. User provide an input or the expression. Based on that input, parsing process is working on input data or expression. Means the parsing the process of analyzing input in a specific format or syntax to determine which JavaScript data structure now to be used. So data structure means a way of organize and storing a data in a computer. So in a JavaScript data structure we use a different kind of a data structure like a array, linked list, stack, queue, etc. So by using these data structure we can use the data in efficiently and extract the meaningful information from it and also store in a memory. Now the next term we're talking about a REPL environment is eval. So eval, it takes and evaluate the data structure. So it simply means input like a expression, statement or command which store in a memory in the form of data structure. Now these input takes based upon the expression and calculate their result. Now the next term in a REPL environment is print. So it print the result. So in a REPL, the print step involves displaying or outputting the result of the evaluation to the user. After the input provided by user is evaluated, the result value or the outcome is printed or displayed on a REPL environment. Simply कहा जाए तो user जो input provide करेगा, based on that input like a calculation or a command, उसको इवेल्युएट करके उसका जो भी आउटपुट आएगा उस आउटपुट को REPL एनवायरनमेंट प्रिंट करेगा. नाउ द लास्ट टर्म इन REPL एनवायरनमेंट इज लूप. सो इट लूप द अबव कमांड until the user press Ctrl+C twice. So after printing the result, the REPL loop back to beginning and wait for the next input from the user. So this process continues indefinitely until the termination condition is met. So as you mentioned, in a many REPL environment, the termination condition is when the user press specific key combination like such a Ctrl+C indicate that they want to exit the REPL session and return to the operating system or environment. सो सिंपली कहा जाए कि किसी कमांड या एक्सप्रेशन का आउटपुट होने के बाद REPL में लूप रेडी स्टेट में रहता है टू रिसीव द नेक्स्ट इनपुट और ये तब तक लूप रिपीट होगा जब तक यूज़र Ctrl+C को 2 बार प्रेस नहीं करता. सो दिस प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूअस indefinite until the termination condition is met. So in this example, I have showed different color pattern for a comment, expression and statement. In first color pattern means a light blue color, I have used comment part. So there is a nothing to evaluate or print. Now in a second color pattern, means a red color, I have used expression. So based on the expression, REPL environment start working. And finally, here I have used a blue color. So I have used a function statement. So based on the statement, REPL environment start working. And lastly, I have used a Control C key combination for termination of REPL environment.